Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the Kollab app by Lead Connector or GoHighLevel. So this is a really cool app that has just received a massive update from the GoHighLevel Summit that happened in October. So in GoHighLevel you are able to create communities and courses, but in the Kollab app you can actually host these courses and communities all from your cell phone. And it's a place where your clients can go and download the app as well and then engage with your community, engage with your content, engage with the courses, and engage with your product. So if you want to offer that, then you should definitely look at the Kollab app. The first thing you want to do is go to your agency level in your GoHighLevel account, and then scroll down to the settings, and then scroll down to labs. Once you're in labs, you want to toggle on client portal branded mobile app, and you want to toggle on the GoKollab app. Once you do that, you can go straight into your sub accounts. So I'm going to give you an overview of the actual app itself and where everything is, how to manage it, and how to actually use it. But before that, you actually have to have a community or a course for people to even use the app for. So to do that, you're going to come down to memberships, and then in courses, you're going to see products here once you click on the toggle down button. I'm not going to go into how to create a course. Keaton has covered this, or how to create a community, but essentially just go to create product and then you start from scratch and then just create your course. Next, you're going to come over to communities, click on groups, and then you're going to come up here and click on create group. Again, go down the process on creating it. It's very simple. And then once you're done adding all your pictures and logos, it will appear here just like these two examples. So if you're not an affiliate of Keaton, make sure to use his links so that you have access to this really cool group and you can get all the resources and chat with the experts on any questions you may have. All right, once you finish creating your community and your courses, you're going to see this one appear here. If you don't have it, again, you have not toggled it on. But when you click on it, you'll see that it says Kollab Marketplace. What this essentially is, if you have your community group, you can now make it easily discoverable by putting it onto the GoKollab community platform. So you'll see here, it says grow your community on autopilot. You can add your community to the Kollab ecosystem so it is discoverable by hundreds of thousands of users in the GoLab.com. So when you click on activate now, you'll be able to choose which groups you want to display on the discover page of the GoKollab system. And this helps people find who you are, find more out about you, and find your groups and have the ability to join it as well. So if you have a course that costs money, then obviously it will have a paywall, or if it is a free group, then people can just join. You can see also in this view, you have the ability to create the group straight from this section. And once you select save, you will have the system. So if I go to GoKollab here, just to show you what the discovery page looks like, you'll see this is like the hub of all the communities that have been put onto this platform. We have this example of fundamentals of tattooing, anywhere advisors, and you can see at the top here, these are free. But when you go down, or if you have your own community that you've added and you made it a paid community, then it would obviously say paid up here. So again, if you do want it to be available to the entire world, then you can add it to the platform and almost like a free sense of advertisement. So super cool. Just before we dive into the actual app, I want to show you one more thing. If you come to communities and click on branded mobile app, you have the ability to build your own app with your own colors, with your own brands, with your own widgets. This is another $79 per month. So if you click on get started, you'll see here $79 per month. And it says here, please allow 2 to 3 weeks for processing after all data is submitted to ensure that your Apple or Google organization developers accounts are ready. So they will create this on your behalf. You just have to fill in a whole bunch of information. But if you want it, you can come and click pay here and then start editing it. Great. So if you want a branded app, then you can go ahead with that. Then after the 2 to 3 weeks after it is published, and then it will be on the App Store and its Google Play Store. So let's jump straight into how to find it on your mobile app. So what we're going to do is type in Kollab by Lead Connector. You'll see here, this doesn't have any high-level logos or affiliation with it, even though it actually is. So it is the gray label version of a community or course platform provided by GoHighLevel. So once you download it, you're going to click open and it's going to take you to this page. We're going to log in with the exact same details that you log into your actual sub account or into your Lead Connector app. So we're going to click on sign in. I'm going to type my email and then click next on the arrow. From here, you're going to have an option to scroll between all the different portals that you are a part of. I'm going to click on the example that I showed you in this video earlier of Keaton's affiliate group. So we're going to type in your password. Again, this is the password you use to sign into your sub accounts. Once you do that, you're going to have an option to agree to Kollab's terms and policies. When you click on agree, you would be entered into the app. But just before that, if it's your first time logging in, then it's going to require that a one-time PIN is sent to your email. So make sure you log into your email so that you can then take the PIN over. But once you're in your community, this is what it will look like. It's super cool because now it is very similar to the school community. So as you, the admin, you will have the ability to manage the page. You'll see this black button in the middle where you can view all the members and the members' details. In here, you'll be able to see the people who are active, the admins, as well as the contributors. Below that, you have a button called to review. When you click on that, if people have reported a post, maybe it's spam, then if it has been reported, it will appear here that then you can review it, see if it is something that you should remove, should ban someone, or should just keep because someone's being cheeky. Then in the top right, you're going to have this bell notification button. When you click that, that is just your notifications for your community. All right. So this platform is broken into two sections. It is your community community platform, which is this, as well as your course hosting platform. So if your community has joined and they want to now go access their courses, but they also want to watch it on the go, they can do it from the app here. And I'll show you how to get to your training or your learning soon. But before we do that, let's start at the beginning. So in the top left, if you click on those 3 lines, you'll see that you have access to the different groups. So let's say I'm added to both those groups that I showed you earlier on the desktop version. You'll see I can toggle between those 2 groups over here. If you have any channels, then you'll see that it will be available here as in home, general. And if you want to add a channel, click on add channel, where you can give it a name, a description, and then change the channel icon. And then you can even choose to make the channel private or not, which is super cool. Then click on create in the top right corner and it will appear over there. Next, in the top left corner, you'll see that little black bar that says communities. If you click on that, it'll take you to which section of the app. So currently I'm in the communities, but if you click on courses, it will take you to your courses platform. I'm going to show you how to get there in an easier way, but that's just another option too. So scrolling down, you'll be able to select your posts and make them featured posts, which is super cool. And just like all the other platforms at the top, this is where you can type your content or add a post to the group. So I'm just typing here, hello everyone, I'm busy making a video on the Kollab app for you. This is the test post that will feature in the video. So in the top left, we'll see that it says you can post it in general, but if you have those different channels that you set up, then you can also choose to post it in that channel too. Then in the bottom left, we have the ability to take a picture, to add media, to add any document, add any links, or even add a GIF. So let's add a GIF, or if you're crazy, GIF. And then when you're happy, just click on post in the top right. Now you'll see that my post has been posted 9 seconds ago with my GIF, and then people can go ahead and comment on the post and even like it. Just to mention that if you have several channels, everything that is posted in those individual channels will be lumped together inside the home view. All right, next, which is a brand new feature that people have been waiting for, is the ability to have private conversations in the community. So let's say I want to speak to Keaton now, but I don't want to post it in the group because it's something more personal. In the top right, we'll see a little button that we can start a conversation. So mine is empty right now, but if I click here, if I type Keaton, when I click on it, I'm taken to a private conversation with Keaton. In here, I'll be able to attach files in the bottom left. I can take a photo, upload a photo, select a file, or add a GIF. And then when I click on send, obviously he's going to receive that from his Kollab app. Then in the top right, you have the 3 dots where you can view the profile, delete the chat, and block the user. If you click on view profile, it just views the profile. All right, moving on. So in the bottom left now, we can go to home. So previously in this community group, we are under the discussions tab in the bottom left, where you can handle all the communications and view your court and view your community. But in the bottom left, if you click on home, it will just give you a mini dashboard or small overview of your activity or your different sections. So in this case, the thing that I've recently opened, which was the group, but just below that, I have the course progress. If I want to immediately go to the courses, I can click on complete course and then carry on. But before I do that, in the bottom right, you have this little black link button. If you click on that, you have the ability to join a group and take a course. So if you click on join a group, it will take you straight to your community. And if you click on take a course, it will take you to your courses. But just to show you how to get there also, if you click on the bottom right, it says learning. When you click on that, you'll see you have this view over here within your communities view. This is different to your courses view, which I'll show you in a second, but you'll just be able to see all the courses you own. And then when you click on open, you can actually start your learning. So you can see the overview, and then when you're ready, you click on the actual videos and then start the lessons. Then in the top right, again, you just have the notifications and the ability to search. But if you come and click on the black bar on the top left and click on courses, you'll see that the view slightly changes here. So it's still the same where you have the ability to see all your courses. In the bottom middle of your screen, we are see all courses tab. So it will all populate here. Again, when you click on it, you'll just be able to start your training. And then when you're done with the video, you have the option to mark it as complete. But if you finished it entirely, then it will auto mark. So this section will show you all the courses that you have added to the community. So the difference between all courses and my courses are the ones that you have purchased or the client has purchased, whereas all courses show you all the ones that are available, even if they have purchased or not. It's a great feature for course sellers to upsell people inside the free community or the paid one. And then in the training, you can configure all of this in your desktop version like I showed you earlier. Then you have small settings button like changing the speed and the quality. And then in the top right, if you click on the book, you'll just see the curriculum and the different modules and any comments that have been added to this course by other people. All right, if I go out now and go back, you'll see in the bottom left, we have the home button. Again, when you click that, it shows you the home button exactly like it was in the communities, where it shows you the recently opened as well as the course progress. Then this course progress wheel takes the most recent course that you're in and lets you start off from that point. Then on the bottom right, you'll see that this is your profile now, where you can change details such as your time zone, your location, your email, and your phone number. Add your social media links. In the top right, you have the 3 dots where you can log out, and then you have a big black button that says settings. Here you can edit your profile further, add titles, locations, and your social media. Below that, you have your billing and subscriptions. If you click on that, a code will be sent where you can authenticate your account. And below that, you have your chats. If you click on that, you have your chat settings where you control which group users can contact you. This is available to anyone in case you block someone in a group or don't want communication from a specific group. All right, and if we jump back into the communities, you'll see that we have the home, discussion tab, learning tab, as well as more on the bottom right. This is the section where you can see your profile again, or below that, you can actually see the leaderboard. Just like in school and other community platforms, they have now gamified the whole community experience where people can engage with you, and as a result, they get ranked high on the leaderboard so that you can see who's the highest engager, who's contributing the most, and you can set it up where when a user reaches a specific tier that they are rewarded. So in the top right, we have here rewards, and this is where you'll see all the rewards that are displayed. Below that, you'll see all the points that you have. See, I'm on level 3, I have 31 points, and I need 34 points to level up. So when you click on that little eye, it will tell you here that you earn points when other members like a post or comment. So 1 like equals 1 point. This encourages users to produce quality content and interact with your members in the community. And below that, it says, as you gain points, you level up. Your level is shown at the bottom right of your avatar. The number of points required to get the next level is shown via the progress bar on the leaderboard screen. So you'll see around my face, I have that little circle, and I'm now a quarter of the way to the next level. All right, and that is it. That is the second app that GoHighLevel has produced, the Kollab app. If you want to see a video on the Lead Connect app, which was the first app, then make sure you check out this video where we dive deep into all the different features on how to use it, where everything is, and how to set it up. If you have any questions, let us know down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.